This is how I made her fall in love with me. 1. You know, the key to anyone's heart is finding common ground. Discover shared passions, whether it's a love for running, favorite foods, or special places. Apps are gold mines for connecting with people who share your lifestyle. Having that initial spark of commonality is like a secret weapon in the game of attraction. When you bond over shared interests, it creates a sense of connection, making you more attractive in their eyes. 2. Now, let's talk eye contact, the silent language of attraction. Studies show that if you maintain eye contact 75% of the time when someone's talking to you, you're triggering something deep in their brain. It's like a subtle trick that says, hey, there's something special happening here. Eyes speak volumes. Locking eyes creates a connection that goes beyond words, planting the seeds of attraction. 3. Here's a bit of dating magic. Be easy to get initially. Social apps give signal of availability. Engage, show interest, and build that foundation. But here's the twist. Once you've got their attention, go a bit mysterious. People desire what seems a bit out of reach. Make them wonder, make them want more. Creating a balance between availability and mystery triggers curiosity and desire. 4. Now, let's play the mirror game. When you're chatting with that special someone, subtly mimic their body language. It's like a nonverbal dance, a way of saying, I'm in tune with you. Matching expressions and tones adds another layer. Just keep it natural, not too obvious. Mirroring builds rapport and comfort, enhancing your allure in their eyes. 5. Allow them to feel good about making you happy. It's a simple exchange. They do something nice, you appreciate it. It builds a positive loop of emotions. And remember, kindness is a two-way street. Be generous with your warmth. Reciprocal kindness fosters a sense of shared joy, making you someone they genuinely enjoy being around. 6. Before anyone else falls for you, you need to fall for yourself. Picture yourself as the grand prize. Confidence is magnetic, and when you radiate self-love, it becomes a beacon. To someone special, you are the prize they didn't know they were searching for. Self-love is the foundation. It radiates an irresistible aura that draws others in. If you are really serious about manipulation, then you must check my videos, or you might get caught up.